will show you how to use this machine. This is the fractional tape. 拍这里来，拍这里来。Fractional, normal, general, valve. We try fractional. Fractional is for skin resurfacing and skin rejuvenation. Strange mask remove, scar remove. We use this one. Power, highest power is 60. And the shape you can choose here. Preview. Preview means this. This you don't need to adjust, only power. And the times you can adjust. Okay, ready. You can see. Okay, and the another scan model random normal. This one, middle split. Okay. Normal, we usually use the cutting tape. We need to change it here. This is cutting model, single, continuous, and impulse. I try one by one. Impulse. Power you can adjust. 9 you can adjust. 50. The highest is 62. High 62, but we don't really use so high. Okay. And single just one dot. Continuous is for cutting. Yes. Valve, Gino and Valve. Gino and Valve, we use another tape. Here are the tips for the Gino and Valve, but we can try it. Use the fractional tape. Here are all the cutting tape. This is the fractional. Try this one. Power highest is also 60, but we try this one is okay. Preview ready. Valve. Highest power is also 60. Preview ready. Yes. You can see. Okay, this is the valve. You can see it also can to cut. Okay, this is how to operate this machine. Any other questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.